Hey guys, my name is KB and you're watching KB'Tech. In this video, I'm gonna review the Apple Watch Series 3 and I will also tell you why you should go for Apple Watch Series 3 instead of Apple Watch Series 4 and why it's the best time to buy this watch. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. At the top of the box, there is a Apple branding and this is the 42 space gray aluminum sports band which comes with a black silicone strap. So let's see what's inside the box. Let me open this box, and inside the box we have a paper case. Inside this paper case, let's see, there is a strap, and the quality of the strap is quite good, and it's a silicone strap, not a leather one. But according to me, the silicone strap is more durable and more reliable as compared to the leather one. Apart from this, we have some paperwork like the warranty card and all stuff, and there is also a wireless charger. Let me pull it out of the paper case. It is quite tightly packed, and unfortunately there is no adapter inside the box, so you need to buy a new adapter for this. And here is the wireless charger. In order to use this charger, you just need to put the watch like this on it, and it consists of a magnet, so there is no such problem in putting this watch on this. Apart from this, let me keep everything aside and let's wrap all these things and let's focus on our watch. Before I proceed further, let me give you an overview of the specifications of this watch. This watch comes with Apple S3 chipset, which is a powerful chipset. And if I talk about the RAM, it comes with 768 MB of RAM and 16 GB onboard storage, and it comes with 279 milliampere of battery, which is chargeable via wireless charging. And if I talk about the display, it comes with a capacitive OLED display, which is of 1.65 inch, and Apple claims that this display is protected by sapphire crystal glass. And if I talk about other things like sensors, it do have accelerometer, it do have barometer, gyro sensor, and it do support NFC, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. Currently this watch runs on watchOS 4.0, but yes, it is upgradable to watchOS 6.0. And this watch is water resistant up to 50 meters, and it do have a heart rate sensor at the back, as you can see this. And there is no doubt that the design of this watch is quite good. And on the right hand side of this watch there are two buttons. One is a power button and one is a menu accessibility button. As you can see, let me give you a closer view. And if I talk about, on the left hand side there is a speaker grill and a microphone, so you can easily attend your calls. And it comes with a silicone strap, as I told you, and it is a durable one. So let's just quickly wear this watch. So as I have wear this watch, as you can see this, as I told about the various sensors, this watch do have a wake up gesture feature. So this watch wakes up every time I twist my hand, as you can see, and this works absolutely fine each time I twist my hand, as you can see this. Further, let's see what else we can do with this watch. Let's just quickly measure the heart rate. This watch do support continuous heart rate monitoring. As you can see, it is calculating my heart rate. So it has calculated my heart rate as 180 ppm, and it is a history of my heart rate monitor records. Apart from this, let's just quickly go into the settings and see what else we can do with this watch. There are various options available. Let's go into the brightness. This watch supports up to 100 nits maximum brightness, as you can see this, and I think that's sufficient in daylight. And it also has a bold text feature for those who love bold fonts. Apart from this, let's see what else we have in the settings. There are a number of features. As I told you, this watch do support Wi-Fi, as currently it is connected to my Wi-Fi, as you can see this. If I talk about the touch of this watch, there is no doubt that the touch of this watch is really smooth, although the UI is quite clumsy, as you can see this, but it is fun to play with it. And you can easily access maps in this watch. All you have to do is just go into the navigation, and you need internet connectivity, and you can access the entire map in this watch. Also you can do a number of things other than this, like if you are a fan of share market, then you can easily track the share market stats in this watch. As you can see, this it is showing me the entire stats. And other than this, you can also check the weather forecast like this. Also, this watch do have a dialer, and there is no doubt that this dialer is super cool. As you can see, this it is super fast, so you can easily dial numbers, and it also gives you your favorite contacts, recent ones. And other than this, there are a number of things that you can do with this watch, like you can install third-party applications like Ola, Uber. And now comes the main part, like the workout. It tracks everything, like your cycling activity, your running activities, swimming. As I told you, this watch is water resistant up to 50 meters, so you can easily track your swimming activities. Other than this, it also has an activity area in which you can easily track your records in a graphical format also, as you can see. So it's a cool feature, I say. And there are two ways by which you can scroll your menu, either via touch or there is a rotating button on the right hand side. Other than this, as I told you, there is also a secondary button which you can use for viewing your recent activities, and also you can clear these activities from here only. Other than this, as I told you, this watch has a number of watch faces available, and you can also download various other new watch faces from the app store only, and these are highly customizable. And let me show you my favorite watch face, which I love the most. This is one of my favorite watch faces. I mean, just look at this, how cool it is. Other than this, you can also check your upcoming events, reminders, birthdays, holidays through this calendar app. And I can also check my text messages, emails on this watch directly, as you can see this. And I personally believe that if you are wearing this watch, then you hardly need to take your phone out of your pocket. And it also gives you a shortcut menu from where you can access Wi-Fi, airplane mode, battery, and it also gives you a flashlight option, as you can see this. And now comes the main thing, how to connect this watch. For connecting this watch, you need an iPhone, and I already have an iPhone. And this is the official application that you need to download it via App Store. And you can manage everything like watch faces, your third-party applications, and other things from this application. Now I will tell you why it's the best time to buy this watch and why you should buy Watch Series 3 instead of Watch Series 4. Because if I compare the specifications of both the watch, they share quite similar specifications. And now comes the main factor, that is the price factor. If I talk about Watch Series 4, it starts at a price tag of 40,000 rupees. But this watch, that is the Watch Series 3, is selling at a price tag of 15,000 rupees only on Flipkart. And if you are planning to buy a smartwatch under 20,000 rupees, then this watch is for you. So that's it from my side, guys. If you like this video, do hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.